Add column to Dataframe with constant value. I have an existing Dataframe which I need to add an additional column to which will contain the same value for every row. Existing df. New df. I know how to append an existing series/Dataframe column. But this is a different situation, because all I need is to add the name column and set every row to the same value, in this case, ABC.
df name equals ABC will add the new column and set all rows to that value.
Single liner works. Creates a name column and sets all rows to ABC value.
You can use insert to specify where you want a new column to be. In this case, I use 0 to place the new column at the left.
Summing up what the others have suggested, and adding a third way. You can assign **** quarks. Access the new column series, it will be created, and set it. Insert LOC column value allow _duplicates equals false. Where the argument LOC 0 is lower than or equal to LOC is lower than or equal to len columns allows you to insert the column where you want. LOC gives you the index that your column will be at after the insertion. For example, the code above inserts the column name as the 0th column, i.e. it will be inserted before the first column, becoming the new first column. Indexing starts from 0. All these methods allow you to add a new column from a series as well, just substitute the ABC default argument above with the series.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.